Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi, my name's Ben and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TDI 150PS with the S Tronic gearbox. This particular A3 is finished in the Daytona Grey Pearl Effect paint, giving this car a real brilliant standout colour. Coming to the front we have this car's LED headlights with the dynamic rear indicators, really brightening up those road conditions. Moving round to the side we come to this car's 18-inch 10-spoke design alloy wheels with the matte titanium look. Gives this car some real presence on the road. Just some more information on this vehicle. It is a 2019 A3 which has covered just over 7,500 miles. This being a black edition, it is covered in the black styling cues which you'll see as we go around the vehicle. And taking a closer look at those 18-inch alloys again, which you can see are in really good condition. Mentioning this black styling keys, we do have the black trim around the windows, the black door mirrors, as well as some rear privacy glass. Coming to the rear of the vehicle, we do have those rear LED headlights with the dynamic indicators, as well as the rear parking sensors, which really help when parking this vehicle in troublesome parking spaces. We do also have the twin exhaust pipes. Upon opening this car's rear tailgate, it does reveal this car's 380 litres of boot space, so plenty of room for those family days out, as well as those suitcases when we can finally make it abroad again. Taking a closer look, the 60/40 folding rear seats can really open that space up for those larger or longer items. And the rear plastic scuff plate does help protect the rear of the vehicle when sliding them in. So let's take a look at the rest of this car's interior. Upon opening the driver's side door, you are greeted with this car's sporty interior. The seats in this car are extremely comfortable and supportive and are finished in the leather and Alcantara material. We also have the embossed S logos just below the head restraints. From the driver's perspective, we can see this car's leather multifunction perforated steering wheel with controls for the multimedia systems, the cruise control stalk, which is perfect for those longer motorway drives, and the paddle shifters, which lets the driver take full control. This car's digital dial cluster does give the driver all the information they need, while the central trip screen can be configured using the buttons located on the steering wheel. Moving over to this car's Mmi Display Screen, which is all controlled using the dials and buttons in the centre console. We can easily select from options like the DAB radio, mobile phone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, perfect for connecting your media devices to stream music. We also have this car's satellite navigation system, meaning that you'll never get lost on those longer journeys. And moving down, we do come to this car's dual zone climate control system. The dials make it easy to change the temperature as well as the fan intensity. Lower down still, we do have a 12-volt power socket, which is perfect for charging those media devices. We also have two cup holders, and this car's automatic S Tronic gearbox. The audio control dial in this car does allow you to change volume and track without needing to take your eyes off the road. Thank you for coming on a tour of this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition. If you would like any more information on this vehicle, please don't hesitate to give our team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.